Welcome to MBS Explains. In this video, we introduce you to the most common container types. The invention of the container has revolutionized international logistics. In 1956, Malcolm McLean transported goods in a container for the first time. Until then, general cargo was transported in sacks, crates, and barrels, but these were difficult to load and were often damaged. However, when a container arrives at the port, it can simply be loaded and transported onwards by truck or train. Today, more than 95% of the world's goods are handled by sea containers. The most commonly used container worldwide is the standard container. The standard container is suitable for transporting all types of general cargo and is available in 3 sizes: 20-foot, 40-foot, and 40-foot high cube containers. The internal dimensions of the 20-foot standard container are 5.9 meters in length, 2.35 meters in width, and 2.39 meters in height. The door opening has a width of 2.34 meters and a height of 2.29 meters. This gives the container a volume of 33.2 cubic meters, and the maximum payload is 30.2 tons. The 40-foot standard container is also 2.35 meters wide and 2.39 meters high on the inside, but 12.03 meters long overall, giving it a volume of 67.6 cubic meters. The door opening is also 2.34 meters wide and 2.29 meters high, and the maximum payload is 28.8 tons. The 40-foot high cube container is basically a normal 40-foot standard container, with the difference that it offers approximately 30 centimeters more height. This also increases the door opening height by 30 centimeters, which increases the volume of the container to 76.2 cubic meters. The payload is reduced to a maximum of 28.6 tons compared to the normal 40-foot standard container. In addition to the standard containers, there are other special containers that are suitable for transporting extra high or extra wide loads, for example. One special container, for example, is the open-top container. These are available in 20-foot, 40-foot, and high cube versions. All open-top containers have the same dimensions as standard containers. The difference, however, is that open-top containers have a removable tarpaulin roof. This makes them ideal for loads with excess height. Thanks to the removable roof, loading is also possible from the top. Another special container is the flat rack container. This container is particularly suitable for heavy loads and oversized goods, such as heavy machinery. Flat rack containers have no door, no sidewalls, and no roof, and can therefore be loaded from above or from the side. A platform container can be used for freight with unusual dimensions that does not fit into any of the previously mentioned container types. A platform container is a container without sides, ends, or a roof, and can be loaded from all sides. Refrigerated containers are often the best choice for transporting goods such as food, pharmaceuticals, or chemicals. These are equipped with a refrigeration unit to ensure an unbroken cold chain. As the refrigeration unit is built into the container, it loses some volume and payload compared to the standard container. The refrigerated container is available as a 20 and 40 foot, and also as a high cube version. These are the most common container types. Of course, there are many other container types, not all of which can be covered in this video. Regardless of the container type, correct loading plays an important role. The container should always be loaded evenly, which is known as a center load. Securing the load correctly is also crucial for successful transportation. Our experts will be happy to provide you with further information on the various container types or the optimum loading.